Hi everyone, in this week tutorial I'm going to show you how to share your Canva form using a public link. This method is super easy and perfect for sending your form to friends, clients, or maybe posting it on your social media. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Canva and then open the form designs that you want to share like this. And then after that, just tap on share, this one, this icon. And then over here, just scroll down until you find public view link, this one, just tap on it. And then on here, just tap on create public view link. And then just copy your link like this. And then next you can share the link to anywhere, like maybe to your social media, your slides, or maybe send it directly to anyone who needs to fill it out. And then to check the response, just tap on your forms and then just tap on responses like this. And then next, if you want to stop people from accessing the form, just simply tap on share again and then tap on public view link again. And then on here, just tap on three dots icon and then choose delete like this. And the form will no longer be available. And okay, that's it, super simple. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.